Hello everyone, this is Bubu and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw an owl or maybe some more owls. It's super simple, super fun, and of course it's really easy. So grab your pencil or marker and let's dive into drawing. Bubu is going to watch over me to make sure I don't mess up. Thank you, Mr. Bubu. So as I love it, I start with two big circles as the eyes. And maybe you want to change where the eyes are looking, and that's really okay. You can do it just like this to give your drawing a certain expression. Next, I draw the head. It's almost like an oval. Of course, a beak which looks like a kite. And now this is the time for us to draw the distinctive feature of an owl. As you can see in the video, they have something we call as horn. It's easy, just something like a simple S. It looks like this, it's not that difficult. Do it for the other side and connect each of them with the head. So it looks like an owl head already. Now let's draw the body. And the wings. Let me draw it here just so you can have a better look at how I draw it. Then I draw three long little ovals as the feet in one side and another three on the other side. So we are done. I don't like it alone. So I draw maybe one or maybe two. I draw the next owls in the same steps as I do it before. I just change the direction of the eyes. So we finish with our owls. I will color it with some shades of brown and yellow, but of course you can use any color you want. I use cotton bud just to blend and smoothen the edges and erase some splatters. And now we are finished. I'm quite happy with how it looks. So if you like this tutorial, please hit like and subscribe. You can also download the printable in the link below. Also, please help me to decide what to draw next in the comment section below. Thank you for spending time with me and also with Bubu, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye!